Welcome! In front of me I've got DJI Lito X1. In this video I'll show you a preview video of this device. In following few minutes you will learn how to turn this device on or off, how to safely land it, how to start it, how to manage some of the camera modes, and how to manage safety features like return to home or emergency landing. Follow me to learn how to operate your device. Before taking off with your drone, make sure to thoroughly read the instruction to learn all safety hazards and how to operate the drone. Firstly, make sure that you are licensed. Secondly, make sure that you are in safe environment without people or without obstacles that can interfere with your flight. Thirdly, make sure that your drone is correctly assembled and fully charged. Let's start with the license thing. DJI Lito X1 weighs under 250 grams. So, in the European Union, you don't need license to operate this drone, but it is recommended to finish the free course online. That will help you understand safety hazards and that will help you learn when and where you can use the drone. Let's start with some basics. This drone is equipped with the battery, thanks to which you can fly from 36 minutes to 56 minutes if you are using battery plus. To operate this drone, you need your smartphone and the controller. The controller comes in the original box. In the whole set we can find the drone, controller, additional wing blades, screwdriver and the instruction. Again, make sure to read the instruction thoroughly. Next, before taking off, check the map if the zone you are planning to fly isn't temporarily restricted. Now let's start with the specification of the drone. Earlier I said about the battery life. It takes about an hour to fully charge it. You can quickly swap the battery if you've got the spare one. The drone maximum speed is 18 meters per second and the maximum height is 120 meters. This can be unlocked if you are licensed. You can fly this drone only in the visual line of the sight. If you want to fly it further, again, make sure that you are licensed. The drone is equipped with multiple sensors like LiDAR. Thanks to the LiDAR, you can fly, for example, into the tree and the drone will automatically avoid the obstacle. The drone also has functions like return to home or return to launch start. Thanks to which, when the drone lost the location, it will automatically go back to the launching point. Apart that, the drone is super light and in some scenarios you can fly with it above other people. Only make sure to not do it too close and too long. Now, let's take a look how to assemble the drone. In the next segment I will show you how assemble the drone connected with the controller, how to turn it on and how to connect controller with the smartphone. Let's start with turning the devices on or off. The drone should automatically turn on after extending the wings. As you can see, it turns on automatically. To turn the controller on, press power button once and then press it second time and hold. Now, to connect it to smartphone, on your smartphone make sure to download DJI Fly application. Once the DJI Fly application is downloaded, extend smartphone holder, eject the cable. You can select lighting cable or USB-C, USB-C cable. They are included in the original package. Install the smartphone and then connect it. Once it's connected, make sure to register your account and the drone will be automatically recognized by the app. Now simply select Go Fly and it's all done. In the end, make sure to remove the gimbal cover. Now, to start your drone, after making sure that you are in safe environment, the drone is assembled correctly, you just have to push both sticks to the inner downwards position, like this. To turn engines off, push the left stick downwards and hold. The drone default steering mode is mode number 2, in which, using the left stick, you can fly upwards, downwards, or tilt left or right. Using the right stick, you can fly forward, backward, or move the drone left or right. You can adjust the steering modes in the settings and control. Stick mode and select mode 1, 2, 3 or custom. And now the most important thing is the takeoff. After turning engines on, you can press this button to enable auto takeoff, or you can push this analog upwards, but make it gently so the drone will take off. To land it, make sure that you are safe to land and then gently go down. The second method to land is by pressing Return to Home button on your controller. The drone will automatically go back to the starting position. But the most important thing of this drone is actually its recording capabilities. Thanks to this drone we can take photos, record videos, record time-lapse, record hyperspeed, slow motion and master recording. In order to change recording mode, press record button, press button above record button and now select photo, video, master, hyperlapse and panorama. Now, to start recording, you can press red button here, or you can simply press trigger. Next, we can zoom in or out. Press 1x button to select 1x zoom, 2x zoom or 3x zoom, or press and hold this button to adjust the zoom manually. In the end, you can change orientation of the video, autofocus, and ISO, shutter, EV, white balance, and resolution. As you can see, on the screen we can see visual from the camera. We can actually move the camera by pushing dial behind the controller. But the dial has one additional function. If you press and hold F1 button and move the dial, you can zoom in or out. The drone has 3 movement modes: Cine, Normal and Sport. The cinema mode is perfect for slow or static cinematic shots. Normal mode is normal, where the top speed is 12 meters per second, and sport mode is the mode where the top speed is 18 meters per second, but in the sport mode, obstacle avoidance is disabled. Make sure to use it with caution. Now, I will show you how to check restriction zones. As you can see in the bottom left corner, we can find this small map icon. Press it and press it again to find restriction zones. That's why the course is helpful. Right here you can find information where can you fly it, where you need permission, or where is it completely forbidden. Make sure to always check permission zones because they can move day by day. While we are here, we can also use Find My Drone function, thanks to which if you press it, you will see last known location of your drone. Now you can also enable flashlight and beeping.